All right, so slide 2 here. We have the equation x minus 5 squared minus 4 equals 12. And it says, you know, what's one way to solve this equation? Now, if you were thinking algebraically how to solve this equation, we would take, and it kind of talks you through it in words, but this is what it would look like. It says, okay, we would add 4 to both sides, which would give us x minus 5 squared equals 16. And then we take the square root of both sides. Now, when we take the square root of both sides, we have to remember, as we're taking the square root of both sides while we're solving an equation, we have to include both plus or minus 4 here. So then when we add 5 to both sides, we get 5 plus or minus 4. And what that translates into is x equals 5 plus 4 or x equals 5 minus 4. So we either get 9 or 1. Those are our two solutions. Now, the other way we can do this is to graph both sides of the equation as their own function. So what we see on this graph is that y equals 12 was graphed because we had 12 on one side of the equation, and y equals x minus 5 squared minus 4 was graphed as its own function because we have that on the other side of the equation. And then we have those two graphs you see in the picture. Where do they intersect? Well, they intersect right here and right here. And if we think about what we're being asked to find here, we want to know what are the x values where the two graphs intersect. So our x values at those two places are, if we look down here, x equals 1 and x equals 9. And we got those algebraically as well.